Guys, the trading signals that I've been using, I've been promoting every single day on this channel are just insane. They're making so many people money. So many people have hit the Telegram down below and told me, this is incredible. This group is amazing. How did you find it? Guys, I'm going to show you how you find it. Now, SignalPeak is by far the greatest crypto signal group out there. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purpose only. But what I can say is every one of my community is making crazy money. So SignalPeak, this is it, guys. Look at all these channels you get. I'm going to tell you how you get them. So there are 6,077 subscribers, guys. If you actually want to know the truth, go through my YouTube channel. We're on about like day 19, 20 or something of recording. You will see the followers growing. So it's, if you are doubting that this is real, guys, there it is, all right? So let's go to SignalPeak, go to more, and go to the bot, all right, guys? Now, the bot is incredible because you can actually get this for free. For 3 whole days. And if once that's finished, it kicks you out of the groups. I have a code FREEDOM100. That's FREEDOM 100. It's going to save you $100 off the lifetime VIP group. Now, this will go down to $200 as long as you put that code. If you forget, guys, you're going to be spending $350 for the lifetime. Still, that is absolutely discount cheap. So what do you get? You get 10 to 30 signal trades in all of these groups. They're forwarded from all of the top groups in the world. So let's have a look at some of them. So we've got American Crypto. What does this look like, George? You keep saying all these amazing things to me, but what does it look like? Well, here you go. Some of the profit, 100%, 100%, 150%, 75%, 50%. You can see how many percent, but it looks like this. So the pair will come in, XAI to USDT. Tell you the exchange, Bybit. Short, mode cross 50x, target 0.7571, and the take profits. It will also give you the invalidation price, the stop loss, okay? And this is just one group. And then, guys, it'll tell you if it wins or not. So the profit here, 50%, 75%, 100%. You can literally double your money in one trade. And this goes all the way through all of these groups, guys. They send the markup, exactly what they're trying to tell you. So they'll say if it's a buy or a sell, plus the reason behind it. They never just say, hey, buy this coin. Why? Because I think it might win. No, they send you the markups, guys. Look at this. Let's have a look. So this one was sushi to USDT short. Why? Because this was the markup, and it went perfectly within the markup. Look how tight that spread is. Absolutely insane. So, guys, that's what you need to do, right? Go to SignalPeak, go to the bot, hit the free day. Don't believe me if you don't want to. Hit the free days for free and just test it for yourself. And I promise you, when they kick you out, you're going to be like, I need them. And then you're going to pay. But make sure you use my code FREEDOM100 to save $100, guys. Get in SignalPeak, and let's make some passive income.